guys, welcome to my channel. And you guys are gonna say, but Celine, what's going on? Why is the background so ugly? Why are you sitting here with nothing to see? Well, it's because, as you guys saw on the thumbnail, today we're going to organize our corner where we film, where we get ready, where we talk about what we like, which is makeup, in the month that it's been like this. But before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And we're going to organize, plus because we are in the month of February, you guys know I don't do this kind of videos, right? I was gonna say, you guys know that we decorate the background differently depending on the month of the season. I see my videos and I don't know, I started liking those videos where we decorate, we're organized together. Plus it's like, you, even though you're on the other side, I want also to include you guys on the inside. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is remove those 3 lights, and then to move the furniture this side, and then we're going to start with the organization. What I'm going to do now is move this furniture and start with the process of organizing. I'm excited. We'll see some new stuff for Valentine's Day. If you do, let me know in the comments down below, what do you see somewhere there. Get into it. So here we are moving the furniture where it's supposed to be. I am so happy to see it there. Plus, because I don't know, at that corner where it was, I didn't like it at all. So here I am. I accidentally delete the footage where I was talking to you guys, explained that I bought this cart of 3 floors, we can say, on Amazon because I don't have more space. So yeah, so here I'm removing pictures, showing to you guys. This is like paper where you can put it on your face. That was for Halloween looks. I didn't use it last year, but I'm gonna put all the Halloween and new things, new products like setting spray, sponges on top, because it's the floor where I don't really, you can't really see when you're sitting down. Removing some Valentine decor. Here's the little one trying to help. He was helping me out, so I couldn't say no. You know, as a mom, you cannot say no. He was so happy, so excited. And here I was trying to figure out if I should you know, take out the Too Faced palette, but I decided not to. I have this clean box where I remove all the makeup palettes, and I decided to keep it because it was kind of thick and I felt like I could use it. Now here I'm looking for more palettes because this is a disaster. Everything was everywhere. I mean, grabbing and putting all down the, you know, Valentine decor. Here I'm explaining to you guys that Camila Bravo, one that you have seen on social media, been on social media, this girl for a long time. She was so sweet to send me a lot of makeup, and so happy, so thankful. And here I'm organizing. Didn't really went through the box at the moment, but as you guys can see, she sent me so many things. A little bit of skincare, brush, and then most of it was makeup. So here I am putting everything on its place, on its spot, cleaning the stuff. Here is the little one trying to help me out. So we are first gonna, you know, checking what's inside. Here's the makeup brushes. He was so excited to show it to you guys, everything. He wanted to show you guys the things like I do. So here's some skincare, the e.l.f. This is a palette that we saw on social media. It's the Makeup Revolution, Good versus Evil. You guys saw the movie. I saw it and I was, I love those movies. I felt like a teenager. But here I'm opening the palette, seeing for the first time in person. Definitely gonna do maybe a reel or here a makeup tutorial on YouTube, but you guys, we're gonna have to play with this palette. I love the fuchsia and the purples. Here I'm showing to you guys the Maybelline stacks of eyeshadow, which we saw that last year. And here's some BTS 21 with ColourPop, a ColourPop palette that she sent me. It was broken, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it. Here is the balm, I think it's an eyeshadow palette that it looked like a mushroom. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it is. And it's so cute. I mean, it had like colors. I feel like it's for more like for fall makeup looks. Here is a Physician Formula face palette. I saw that on at Walgreens, I think on November they launched that. So here we're fixing the palettes, putting on its spots. I mean, the cart was kind of full, but here we are, some ColourPop with the red-nosed reindeer. And I'm trying to figure out all the Tres Luce palettes. You guys know that I'm a fan of Tres Luce makeup palettes. They are so good, always carrying their mirrors everywhere. I have mirrors everywhere from their palettes. Here I'm showing you guys the ColourPop and Valentine's Day makeup palette from last year. Decided that I'll keep that at the bottom. A mini from Tres Luce that they sent me. You saw the Barbie makeup palette with ColourPop. Love that collection. I have still my inner child, which is the Barbie's world. And that's the Rem Beauty palette. So I decided at the end to put the makeup palettes in the middle, not at the bottom like I thought at the beginning, because I don't know, I feel like it's my level, more easier. And I decided to put the makeup that I'm gonna do content for you guys at the bottom, so I know that's the spot that I need to grab things to create content for you guys. And the box that I just showed you guys, that's where I'm gonna put lipsticks. I know it's gonna look disorganized, but for me it is organized, because here my lipsticks don't fit anymore. So I'm gonna put all the lipsticks, lip liners on the box. So here's the little one helping me out. Camila sent me the Physician Formula. Here I'm about to open, can you believe, the lipstick and the lip liner from ColourPop and Barbie. I didn't want to use them because, oh my god, I have still the Barbie inner child inside me, but I mean, I had to use them. So he's putting everything of the lipsticks inside that box. I found another one which I had no idea. I bought the three ones. I bought 3 of them, but I couldn't find the other one. I love the colors. I mean, love everything from ColourPop. As you guys can see, that's how it looks. The little one put everything inside the box, and like I said, it looks disorganized, but for me it is super organized. Here opening some, I think, are lip products or lip glosses from ColourPop and BTS 21. And there's also some mini eyeshadows that Camila sent me. I got I was here showing you guys that these are very similar to the one from Harry Potter. The Harry Potter one I bought with the palette. You guys saw that video, but they're very similar. Of course, the BTS 21 look more like for spring and summer, and the one from ColourPop look more like for fall. But of course, you can use those kind of lipsticks for the night. Some Frosted Flakes lipsticks. That one is from L'Oreal, that it's for the lips and the cheeks, but I'm here saying to you guys that I like more only for the lips, because the cheeks I didn't like how it looked. One from Rem Beauty. And here I am taking out other lipsticks that I'm finding at my other 2 boxes that I have. I'm showing to you guys the Morphe with Sour Patch Kids lipstick that I love how it looks. This one from Revlon, which is a foundation, I didn't like how it feels on the skin, and how especially leaves the texture of my skin. I didn't like it. So here I'm showing you guys, I bought this one from Physician Formula. How do you call it? It's not a setting spray. Oh my god, I forgot the name. But I bought these 2 at Walgreens. They were on sale, and I have never tried them, and I'm always using those for makeup tutorials. So I was like, you know what, let's have some backup. My wipes I always need it just to clean the fingers, because you know, when you do makeup, it's a mess in your hands. Here the little one passed me other makeup palettes that I had. somewhere in the house. So here putting everything about Tres Luce, the one with Rosie McMichael and Beauty Creations, Sour Patch Kids, and this one Sour Patch Kids and Morphe. Next with Avatar, which I want to do a makeup tutorial with Avatar again. Anyways, now here I'm removing everything. This plate I showing to you guys and explain to you guys that I love these plates for jewelry. I bought this one at Target for $3. Always looking at the dollar spot at Target. Here ready to clean because it was so dusty. So we are finally done. I had to do this voiceover. Organized. I put the makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes here in the middle. At the bottom I put lashes, wipes, new makeup products that I want to do makeup looks or try out products for reels, TikTok. So I'll put here my social media. You guys can follow me on my social media and TikTok. And at the top I put glitter, gems, setting spray, new sponges, stuff for Halloween that I really rarely touch it, so it's at the top. So basically when I'm sitting down I don't really have to look at it. And then I like how we put the lipsticks in this box. This box is kind of thick, so it's kind of heavy. It doesn't look organized, but for me it is organized, and for me it's much easier to look at lipsticks. I need to buy, I know you're gonna say you have a lot, but I need lip liners. There's all sorts of colors because I don't have them, especially the red one. You guys enjoy this video. We clean, so it's ready for the video where we are going to decorate for February. You guys enjoyed it. So happy that our corner is finally organized. I have to throw out all those boxes. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. Remember, we have 2 videos each week. I'll leave again my social media over here. You guys can follow me there, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.